Empowerment Show. Era nga bulijjo tulina ebintu eby'enjawulo ebyobaleetera. Naye tetujja kukoma ku kubaleeta by'amasanyu byokka, tujja kukoleeta ne ku bintu ebikwatagana ku mibiri gyaffe. So today we are going to be talking about our health. And with me as usual is Lillian, my co-host. Lillian, you're welcome to the Sisters Empowerment Show.
Thank you, Daisy.
You look lovely.
Thank you, Daisy. Now we're going
to today we have had the opportunity to come and visit an orthopedic. And the orthopedic doctor we are visiting today is going to speak about bones. So this is one area in our lives or our health that we normally tend to ignore, but is around us in our homes. We experience problems, but we never get to know how does this problem come about. Why am I experiencing this back problem? Why is my knee paining? What should I do? So today, follow us. You're going to learn very much from what our guest is going to tell us. I will not introduce his name. He's going to speak for himself. But before he does so, this program is proudly sponsored by St. Daniela Education Services and 7.5 Enterprises that is located at Ham Towers. It's a one-stop center for children's items and adults. That is clothes, bags, and everything. So look nowhere else. If you want something, come pick it from 7.5 Enterprises. And of course, behind our cameras is Urban Events. The numbers will be passing down on our screens. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm so anxious to go to our topic. So without wasting more time, this video is going to be aired both in Luganda and English. I know that some of the terms going to be used are medical and a little complex, but because we want our viewers to try and understand what the doctor is talking about, we are going to refer some of these terms or try to explain in Luganda. Not so? So you're welcome, our dear guest today.
Thank you.
Yes, can you tell us your names? Our viewers would love to know who is this person and where you're located.
Thank you, Daisy and Lillian. Thank you for the opportunity that you give to our clients and the entire nation. By the names of Dr. Kawesa Moses, I'm a senior medical orthotist, it's a branch in orthopedics, and I deals with rehabilitation. Here at Nankumbi, I work with Ortho Health Services. Here at Nankumbi, we deal in rehabilitation, basically in orthopedics. Abawuliriza bafa abalungi tusanyuse okubalaba. We see you. Twebaza omukisa abakyala babawaddemmwe free consultation. Okuwuliriza ebikwata ku magumba, tugenda somesa ku genetic conditions, especially amagumba. Topic nene tujja kikwata mpola okusinziira obudde naabo tukkiriziganyiza. Mwebale tuwuliriza.
Webale nnyo Dr. Kawesa Moses. So we shall use your name interchangeably. If I call you Moses, Lillian might call you Dr. Kawesa. So don't get surprised about that. So you have told us you're based here in Nankumbi. Before we go into details, people would first love to know where exactly, because when we go into details, they will want to come here and visit you. So and we might forget to direct them where you are located.
Nankumbi is right opposite FDC office. Byamani office FDC weziri ne maaso gaawo era akapande ojja kubuuka laba wetuli. Normal abantu bagala nnyo okumanya experience zaamu. I've been in the field of orthopedics for quite long. Myaka gyolina 15. I've worked with Mulago, I've worked with Kosu Hospital. I'm now here. I've worked in some countries where I was studying too, in South Africa. So I'm a magumba, gyolina experience. Yeah.
Webale nnyo Doctor. Ekyo ky'okola ekyo kirungi nnyo. Mukama yebale tuleeta wano. Kati abatulaba abali eyo leero nga bwe tugambye tugenda kwogera ku by'amagumba. Omusawo omukugu nga bwe yennyonnyoddeko kati agenda tuyitiramu bulwadde ki obw'amagumba, tutegeera tutya nti kati obulwadde obunnuma bw'amagumba ntandika ntya okumanya nti kati ekinnuma kyekino oba amagabo magumba.
Amagumba okukosa omuntu bw'obozze era ojja kujogambe kati bagambe ng'omugongo abantu abasinga enamba gyesinga okulaba bw'oba tomenyese bumenyesi ojja kujogamba omugongo nnuma noba tumanyi paati kyeyo omugongo ekuluma. Abamavivi era naye ajja kujja agamba evivi linnuma akujjako apart from a few olisanga nga evivi lizimbye naye bwe liba terizimbye liba liruma kati buli kimu kiba kirina wekipresentinga oba bwekijja naye ngaoli main complaint oba oli agakugamba pain. Tujja tandika n'ab'omugongo kubanga sekretoni y'omuntu nga bwolaba wano ojja kulifaanira nyo zino joints naye sekretoni y'omuntu nga bwogiraba gonna bonna ebisapoted n'amagumba n'ebinywa naye omugongo gwe gusinze endowooza okuba ekizibu ku balwadde baffe bwe tusinga okulaba. Lwaki nti abantu ekisooka ebintu bye bakola okuva mu buto ogisitulirako abalwadde bamutera basomesa omuntu bw'alina ositula oba abakyala kati mwabafumba waliwo abalina ebyoto byebiganda oba byebiganda ebyenkoya obeerawo n'okutama nositula esepiti there are ways how to carry. There are ways how to sleep, even the sleeping, because you spend 8 hours sleeping. Never webase bubi. Ekyo nakyo kireetera okulala degeneration. Kitandikiriza mpola kati ku stage gy'ogirako okulaba doctor.
Degeneration yeringa kusebengerera skeleton yoga.
Yes.
Skeleton.
Yes. Okusebengera kati ojja kukozesa okusebengerera for degeneration. Kitandika mpola by'obeera okola. Nekigenda kati owulira pain ojja olaba omusawo ng'olready ekintu kikola kibadde wekire era in fact I'm really happy for this opportunity that you give the people okubanga bamanya because we don't advertise tosobola kulanga ku radio nti tugenda kukola weekly teaching. When we get opportunity to teach people we really use it, so I'm really happy and I'm really thankful for idea that you've come up with to teach the nation, those who are able to watch. Okubanga nabo basomesa abalala. Tujja tandika n'omugongo omuntu amanya bito omugongo oba wewala okyakunatuuka kujja wa musawo. One, okwebaka. Okwebaka olina kwebaka on the farm bed. Buli mugongo omugongo guli like a spring, gulinga spring bwogiraba. Buli webaka ku mufaliso nga gukkamu bwe guti. Omufaliso n'ogwebakako ne guba bwe guti. Yes, mulinamu ekinnya. For example, this is your head. Ne gujjamu ekinnya, that's not right. Ideally n'okwebaka ng'oliki straight. That's straight. A firm bed webako ne kutakkamu kinnya. Kubanga I have this spring, I'll be using it. To explain how the spine looks like. So how a spine oba omugongo gwaffe gubanga bulwa sepringi buli bwebuti obuspace asobola obulaba space ezo waliwo kituyita disc. There are the disc spaces in between. Kati buno obwetoololwa ge magumba kutugambe. So a normal spine oba okula to be like this, very uniform, ebulinaako weginaki naye gyebugenda nti kati wano nebase, you see that ekitanda kibuddemu oba kozeseza a huge pillow. Pillow nga nene ekaluba omuntu nebase buli bwe buti, you create that. Oyobedabedabedda ate obakesana nana bibireeta obuvune ku mugongo. Buli lw'okuyetinga that, kati look at this spring nebase ku pillow creating, so olaba this opening, I don't know if you can see it. It opens down, then wagune compressing. When it opens, this is nezili wakati. They are like gel, zilinga wala juba yenti, nobody use juba yenti. Zita ndipo kuva, creating the space, they'll slide out. When you slide out, osituka, you compress this side gyezavudde because eno side enyigiriza ate neyo space, so it will move out. So okwewala kimu. Ekyokubiri okusitula. Abantu abasinga basitulira ku migongo gyabwe. Omukyala apikinga akagatto ke akutami kuku agenda okupikinga enkuku apikinga emmere ogiteeka ku stove n'akutama n'asitula asitulira ng'ate zitoba. Yes, abaana tebali badde nnyo bazibu naye okusitula kuno nti buli lw'okutama kati nja kozesa nnyo olaba kati okutamya okupikinga ekintu akagatta olaba waneeno olwawopeninze kati gwe yacuminga nti eno eba the lamba bomb, this one here abasinga basitulira wala era cases nyingi nti otuuka olaba x-ray y'omuntu nga eno disiki ya wano yethiininze oba yekendedde neno lamba 4 disiki yayo nayo ngekendedde ne wano ngegabweginga gomene kubanga kwetusitulira okuva wansi. Abantu abasitulira example abantu abasitula obuzito omubamula bakutira omuntu asitula obuzito takutaba okutabibwa ati naleta ekyuma muno abasinga bayesiga ekisipi muno to protect the lumbar ate bwakka wansi ajja kukka n'omubiri gwe gwonna ajje n'ekyuma kino nga spine eri straight kiraba takutama ekyuma kino akikwata bwati najja nakyo then up kiraba. So that would be the idea. Naye abantu abasinga ebibugo gyaffe tugikozesa bubi kati oba olina okwewala okunaaba omuntu enaaba asobola okuba nga tascooping amazzi bino bitwanwansi mu baafu n'osituka n'osera emirundi abamana bebaafu nene bwetu n'aziwa nayiwa agenda okumaliriza atadde okuvuna naye akozesa shawa bwe bali eri kiba kirungi oba amazzi gateeka on a raised platform nti sikutama nnyo kugenda wala mugongo agenda ku angle like 90 oba beyond 90
waliwo okwoza waliwo okwera waliwo okusiimuula ebyo byetwakola
okwera okwoza okulima kati abantu abalima olina okulima okozesa omuyini nga muti muwanvu okwera you can always elevate the thing the groom nebuba nga luwanvu olina okukola kati omusana ajja kukubeerako nti obudde bwonna beerako but kina kuba the back of your mind nti sina kutama ekiraba you go down. I don't know if I can show you because for example let me show you nze mukyala akambe kagudde wansi. I'm going to pick my kambe sigenda bwenti to pick the kambe no I go you see my spine
protect the spine
it is straight then I pick my kambe okiraba so ebyo bwe bolina okubanga omanya okubanga okola tukyali ku mugongo just for generation gutandika mpola negweyongera kati wotuukira okujja mu ddwaliro there are stages like you can see up there there's degenerative discs oziraba okuva ali waggulu you can point and lift up degenerative discs the normal disc ebeera bwetyo then netandika okwonooneka awo talina kyojja kuwulira then ne bulging when it bulges up olaba okunyiga it moves out neyingira munda that disc bulging
this one
nepenya tujja kubajiwulira nnyo okujjako nga pressure tuse ku nerve then herniation is like a wound ejje ku disc kati baginyigiriza nnyo it's like busting egenda kwabika kumpi nebeera ne herniation then we're moving away it's a thinning disc ekendedde bagicompressions kati olabe gumba is even not uniform olabe gumba neka space kakene then bwotuka kweno kati wano wansi is number 4 number 5 amagumba this is generation yes this is generation osteophyte formation osteophyte kati kubako obulingo obugwa naye obugwa obujja butya nti bujja ng'eggumba likushonize to one another disiki evuddewo ne disiki zini between wakati wayitawo nerve roots kati bwetambula neva egumba litandika okutuula kuli neeru yalyo. So with that cushioning kutama situka kutama, it cushioning twana, which is not supposed to be. Bw'eryekuuta ne pressure neyongera ku nerve, that's when you come to see a doctor and say amagumba gannuma. Abamu bamaliza bagenze ku balugu because the presentation waliwo kyetuyita sciatic pain. Sciatic nerve, the spinal cord becomes like this. Then when it gets here, neyeyawulamu. Okiraba yeyawulira wano, enneeweza okulo kwa right, enneeweza okulo kwa left. Kati wano nerve bw'ebeera ng'eri compressed, you get what we call a sciatic pain. So painful. Abamu present in the world bendabye ku experience. Oyagamba ekintu kimeketa okugulu ekintu egumba balya, abamu mulimu amasira, abamu mulimu ekintu kintu kyahabutambula. Kati bagenda ku muloko namugamba bakutadde ejembe. Because definitely babulira ekintu nga kibalya kubanga nerve reacting different.
So kutebuba bulwadde Buganda bannanga
olina okulaba right omusawo omutuufu kati kyemba nnyonnyola era kyenja okunnyonnyola naye wali eri ekyakwanako nti mba nkulaga x-ray egumba lyo nga bwebiri right there.
X-ray
I think Luganda bagita x-ray ekifaananyi ekyegumba okiraba tukifuna bino byennyinnyonnyodde kati nembikulaga gwe nga bikuliko okiraba nengamba egumba lyo wano tuuse oli ku stage weight wano olina osteophytes egumba lyononese nnyo stages ezisinga tetusembatana okukola ogenda for surgery which I don't really recommend. Tusobola tuindinga conservative oba conservative treatment oba okwewala surgical intervention. Conservative treatment, conservative is what? Okukubirira tetutiitinga kitwala ebbanga naye bino byekusomesa kati kanakanago kalina osobola n'okuplayingira omukaddewo osobolayingira your mom n'awuliriza this because this is what I tell the people in my consultation before I start treatment. Okiraba byalina okwewala nti weewala kino weewala kiri weewala kino weewala naki. Ekyokusatu bwetukako ezo tendensi abantu abasinga n'okulya obubi omuntu alema okulya the real fruits zazite mu nnimiro amagumba g'okubirira because oba okula amagumba gaba nutrients z'okozesa zikendeera. Omuntu olina okulya fruit at least make sure nti olula fruits oba fene oba kikadde oba papali oba avocado oba menvu oba any fruit that you can have at least zikuyambako okubuildinga yoki your body. Okiraba n'abantu tebakola ki tebabyagala bikozesa.
Mpozi Dr. Ngokyagenda mu maaso bwetwalinga tukula nga batugamba you lack calcium oba your bones something like that. Nakyo kirina engeri gye kyaffectingamu okutuuka kwezo stages z'otugambye.
Yes, because what olina calcium that means amagumba go gali waliwo abantu bolaba abalina calcium deficiencies oba nga tebalina ebyo birungo bimala oba irons zimala mu mibiri gyabwe osanga nti amagumba gaabwe gali so not soft as such but what do you call it ekigambo kibadde medical gaba gagonda. There's a patient to give an example omulwadde gwenalabako lumu she was still young, she was in her early 40s. Just sliding up, just a simple slide, a simple one. Now hitting ogundi ogulukwe slides okusiza bya kinyonyola na ogunekona ku kantu ne kusnapping ne kumenyeka okiraba but we yakinyonyola bwata so inquisitive bi ekiko kyongamba kibakude kyabadde very serious naye ate okumenyeka kwofunye kulabika mukabadde impacting y'amaanyi wala he was lacking some irons and calcium in mubiri bwe nambuza nagamba yetali fruits banyi biki nanyi biki nanyonyola ebintu bwebiti era nakiraba during the treatment when we come to the treatment nti twateekako carcinoma within 4 to 6 weeks colors abamaze forming ngo kutanso okuddawo egumba litanso zimba but ye kyagenda yagenda okudda folks otekera x-ray egumba liginganga bwe lyali after 6 weeks. Okiraba until when I advise you know what you need to eat is in to supplements okubuilding kati ekyo kikulaga kyegumba lijja kubaawo but what we need those irons and the required minerals mu magumba go oba susceptible to such conditions. Kati omugongo tegujja menyeka. Okay, oba okubyaka ne ofunya accident, you can get those compression fractures. Naye zino degeneration biri byokusitwa nayo. Disc ziba zivuddewo. Degeneration okunaamuuka kw'eggumba kujja kuba waggulu kubanga nako tegayina nate resistance ekola ki egayamba okubanga gabeeramu n'amaanyi.
Kati musawo omuntu bw'alwala bw'afuna obuzibu obwo mu magumba waliwo embeera nti asootuka n'awona oba?
Yes, ekisooka prevention is better than. But now this is what you guys are doing. You're helping out these people who are watching us or to preventing that. But you have told them but you can listen. No colleague because natanse no webaka enzera ko nebyo okusitula. Okusitula just make sure omugongo tegukutama. Protect your back, keep it straight. Even now abatula mu office, I know you watching us. The sitting posture another scenario. I remember days when we came, we changed the sitting posture. Mubera nebitebe byo bisimani bikola we bisimani. Yeah, he's operating early, but keep your back straight.
Even when driving.
When driving, yes. And more than what? That's not right. Because when you feel here, omugongo gulimu that. Gravitational forces they need to come, you know, if this is your head, they come, they should go through. What lordosis will come at your collar like this. It shouldn't go beyond, it shouldn't reduce. What we call lordosis, or one bonga will go away. But when the weight comes, but when yours is like this, it will come through. If this is your head, it will come through. But the weight they eat our name, when they took gakuluma, it's like when you're dropping a plum ball, kanapandwa kazimba, wako sana physics. Bekati janga kwa wekati, egumba lekata kuteko, waluwekana atuka, impact kwa ya amani. Because, let's assume bloke kwa wagulu, ilikuwa mungua, egwa. When sanga obstacles zegende konako, it will reduce on the speed. Over the weight here, again they can. Never very wave one. Neighbor will win it to go on a one. Impact the Jaguar. Cutting you, so now we go to the gravitational forces come. Zida magumba kanali yasa to gaba negative party duako. Negative impact wali. Kati magumba ngasimo kuba affected Yiga na gasinga galamba. Not find a magumba gawa no thoracic region. Okubanga can be very affected. Normally, TB and scoliosis. That would be for another. Normally, when we talk about the children for scoliosis, but not adults. Ungambi what was that? Yes. One, what we took a quay stage. A government in the problem. So, one echibaleta ebisere bisinga kibanti pain. Penny big boy already of a single Mayaduka. Trying to you are so. Never over the consistent. Never what love, not an coli. TV, Chanacha, and any Kevin for sober. Quite seen a job of a show Kevin. Never for so really fun. You spend 8 hours, among more sleeping. That's long. Or no way about pillow, what you take up. It should touch the head. If you must sleep on the pillow, I don't sleep on the pillow, I sleep flat. But if you must sleep on the pillow, it should be on the head and touch your shoulder. So you should feel this. So there's if your head is like here, and this is your shoulder, the pillow should feel this. Like this. Shoulder here, you want to put kuchitanda, kumufaliso, kano, kekali feel with the pillow. So by doing so, you balance it. Never go uja way with it. Whatever you not balance. That means whoever support. Now you can put your hand and you support. That's good enough. No other man is that take on I need to sleep on the pillow. But this pillow should not make your head attack one. For example, this is the pillow and your head is like this. No. It should be balancing in where you're lying.
Abamu bafuna okwewaka omunga tamanyi yebakira mu side yebaka ku lubuto yebakira ku mugongo
You cannot control that. Omuntu yebaka nga bw'ayagala as long as the bed is firm. Olya agamba nti siba kati pilo ekwata wano, it won't be as big as that. Ejja kuba nti niko tinebema gye basooka okubasiwe I'll keep at least flat.
Kati mpozi ogambye eno pilo banaye kambete pilo eno pilo kati ebeera nnene.
Yes, depending ku muntu because oyisosanga omuntu nga munene nga eno spanning empanvu okiraba naye you put bw'oba kubulirirwa you check that the logama goes for as long as we manage waliwo abalinaga pila aganene nga bw'ogateekako omuntu oyindindi gusigala waggulu weego kati me I have one for example it's just a wedding pillow ngiteekayo nga nkyatulula at the back Nembera manje nindinza okumpewa ne kubeera waggulu bakansani go to sleep flat. I've tested this kubanga zokukwalutaza okunuma. One, the bed was on the right one. Two, I was using a wrong pillow. Naye pillow nenjivaako then I got a firm bed. Kati banava batuwuliriza ewo osobola obikola ewo ojja kwewala okulaba abasawo because rehabilitation is expensive.
Too much.
Okiraba rehabilitation is expensive. Osobola obikolera ewo n'ogamba yesi ngenda kukola bwenti ne bwenti ng'owuliriza kana katambi n'okyusa okuwona kubaawo but it depends on the stage wegidde. Bw'owuliramu any pain normally abantu abasinga betulabye omugongo gutandika ne gumuluma. That's a warning shot. Amala tambula n'agamba abasinga stories bajja nazo nabadde ku boda n'akuba akanya then omugongo gutandikira awo. Bw'omwexamininga ennyo agamba wanumako nonga ndi bwenti naye nembira panado because here in Uganda one thing that I should talk about we abuse medication. Okiraba olyafuna panado simanyi natandikira ku ki self medication namina ebidagala byotomanyi namuwere. Okiraba that's wrong. Before you start on pain medicine first consult a medical personnel or okulumwa whichever you utandise because I utandikidde awo obolabye omusana tufuna x-ray for example for starters tuyinza otaasaako n'okukendeza ku time ya treatment because what I'm telling you biyinza okuba nga nkugamba obikole then treatment etandikira
ate ng'olinamu pain.
Sciatic pain is so painful. Very abantu bagitestinzeeko they can testify. So painful. Oyinza n'okwagala ogamba naye lwaki sifa but you can control it no preventing another osobola ogyewala.
Mpozi abalungi abatulaba mukyalaba the Sisters Empowerment Show era olwaleero twakyaddeko ewa Dr. Moses nga musawo wa magumba akyayongera okugenda mu maaso n'otubuulira era n'otunnyonnyola biki bye twetaaga okumanya na biki bye twetaaga okukola. Mpozi Dr. nga tukyagenda mu maaso nina okugamba bawuliriza abaffe nti nange najjako ewuwo ng'eyo payini gy'ogambye yali y'amaanyi nga ndowooza ngenda nakufa n'okulamba nalaba kati kyetwogerako wano kituufu ddala era yensonga lwaki tuwasaba kufinga Sisters Empowerment Show oluvannyuma lw'okutubuulira ebyo byonna ebintu netulaba nti tujja kubeera nga tubimanyi ffekka tujja kwagala n'abawuliriza abaffe nabo bayifuneyo kye bayiga. Kati mpozi waliwo n'ekintu ekyakimadde njagala okubuuza nga tukyagenda mu maaso nga kikwata ku weight and the bones. Do they have any connection? Kubanga waliwo abantu bempuli abagamba abantu abatono baba tebazitowa nnyo oba biki like I don't know and then whether that weight kati ngaffe abamu tuli banene olinaga kwonna eyo weight yo eteeka weight ku magumbako something like that.
It's a yes and partly a no but I think ekisinga obunene is a yes. Buli bw'oyongerako medically age moves with weight is direct proportional to weight. Emyaka gy'omuntu gikwatagana n'obuzito Katonda we yakikola but for the simplify in medical omwana bw'azaalibwa nga muto from 0 months to atandika 2.5 kgs so tugenda tumwongera kati 1.5 if I'm not forgotten tuba tumanyi omwana baweza omwezi alina kuba ne kilo wezi so it goes on and on and on. Kati ojja n'osanga omuntu ng'alina emyaka 2 naye ng'alina kilo 100. You see That's already obvious. Kati bosanga abasinga ojasanga aba complex abasinga ebigere. When the weight comes through, the gravitational forces come up down. Kati ebigere yebisemba yokwata ekisemba the plumb kyenda nyonyodde samwe ekya block egwa. Kati ebigere yebisinga yokwata that thing that obuzito okusembayo kwekyo ekintu ekigwa the gravitational force. Abantu basanga ebigere abaana abanene nga tebikwatagana na gundi yaabwe baba n'ebigere nga biri flat feet. Lwaki nti bakompressinga ekigere kino okuba ne arch naye lwakubanga obuzito buli bungi tasobola bumaintaininga it compresses ekigere nekiba complete flat. Ku baana still tujja kyogerako I think mu baana nti obasanga amavivi gabaluma because they cannot contain the weight. Oba nobasanga bafunye some deformities nobody bafuna the bowing sigama nti ebitegeere oba nokinga sigama nti kuleetebwa weight naye obasanga nga tebakiina it's a congenital disease ne abamu basanga tebakiina mu families zaabwe but ono olwa weight ye ng'omulabulabi naawe right from looking at the patient nga bamukuleetedde oba omwana ng'ayina that ku bakulu oli ayongerako weight n'olubuto ne lujja mu maaso olubuto the more gye lujja mu maaso these are muscles kati luyiika babanga bakusubyeko ekiduma you ladies you know when you're pregnant samabasanga nga emigongo gibaluma okiraba naye zino embuto zino ez'abasajja abamu when they pull out they tend to slide the bones. Abamu basanga they have lost their lordosis. Eri elinakyo gye nagambye the way the spine is olaba akantu akakali that curve you can yes akakakavinga naturally kalina okubanga kati buli lwoteeka weight eno and then it pulls the bones negaba nga gajja nnyo mu maaso so there is that sliding due to weight gyosobola kukola ki gyotalina kuteekako and the weight you should control it. I think this is a much lazy. So weight would cause that. In adults, that's how it comes. In children, the effect. Still, if you put on more weight, still have that feeling, painful knees. But it won't be arthritis because there's also arthritis. But after testing, we take your weight. We check the BMI, we take your weight, we check the knees, and then we take an X-ray. If it's not arthritis, then we tell you yes, it should be weight. Either to advise you yes. Weight you depending on your age.
So, kati batuda kyamagumba kwa ndaba waliwo mukono muno nze ngenzo okulaba abantu abasinga abakomplaining oba ku magumba balina ne issue ya nerves wa mikono kugamba eyo aspect ya nerves naddala mu mikono mu kiki ekyo kireeta oba nerves oli baba complaints emikono katato bayo ku mugongo because emikono okuva wano emikono gino gifugibwa what we call the branch plexus oba seti ya nerve sits here. Naye the nervous system eweereza ebeera mu nsingo zino the cervical area oba ensingo yo kati omuntu awulira okusanyalala era kyenanyonyodde kiri the degeneration kiba kiri mu nsingo kyobola omuntu afuna okusanyalala. That takes me back to sitting posture and how we work on your computer. Now I'm talking to people who sit in offices, sitting on computers and laptops. You cannot have a computer like here, no way up with it. You see, yet you will be, the laptop will be here, raised and you're facing it. But what we about is that, how do we call it? How we term it medically, but anyway, omaliriza abantu abasinga bainjalinga their C6 and C7 era amagumba gali 8 against okuva waneeno paka sina skeleton maybe sorry next time I'll think I'll have it agagomusinga naye wanera nga bwe twagambye mu mugongo nti wano eryokuna n'eryokutaano bigabera affected wano eryomukaaga
n'ebyomusanvu partially n'ebyomunaana kubanga bw'owetawo ki olaba onawasemba wona bw'owetera kuba otunde mu kompyuta abatulako laputosa mu mitwe ne gibeera bweri oba essimu n'obeera kuti n'obeera ng'okutamye ekyo nakyo kizibu
kati waberawo ebifo betugeramu oba tv ziri eri waggulu tv oba ebintu ebisinga obayonga ku mirimu kati abantu abasinga nnyo okubeera mu zi workshops biki powerpoint presentation like eri
kati
kaseera
nga omuntu aba atudde just because they know when tunde mu camera you see my head is right into the camera straight sinza kuba nti angambe ntume mu camera nembeera bwengi okiraba I'm straining my neck muscles okiraba ogenda okumaliza ngeri ensibe bulungi naye okutamaku okay my screen is away sigina kikola baga because you cannot do like this you definitely go down and obereko your level okiraba so numbness okusanyala mu mikono just know it's your cervical region and when you start getting numbness it's even worse than the lower, the back, the sciatic. Because in the economy of this, in the economy of that means you don't go into certain natures. So before you think of Jibando say, you seek medical advice, funa X-ray, normally see one funa MRI, or to have those nitty-gritties of the ingredients and effects easily. Nitufuna the right treatment. Nekasobola otandika okufuna numbness, okusanyalako okutandika mpola mpola. Don't hesitate.
Nikubayinibwanga pressure oba kibeera kijja over time.
I think our pressure is a different.
Kusanyalala.
It's a different cause.
Could be an effect, maybe.
Yeah. We won't go so much into pressure because that is another topic altogether. Nayenga, when you get numbness and you come to see, for example, we say, we'll do those examinations. We have pressure, okay. Why the numbness? How do you see it? Remember, Daisy will tell you, how do you see it? Interview or to the sound nana when you're working. Abamu basala nata swako walks for 8 hours.
Lunch
because it's not the right shit. Sofa sets are good, yes, thank you. But they are bad. The moment you sit on the chair, no come watch. There's that comfortness. But it's better to sit and tell me and support it. I know my advice of pull up dining chairs. If you can avoid the sofa sets. The sofa sets can leave them to 1 hour, 2 hours, they're still growing. Once one clocks 20 years, your bones stop growing. You just need to maintain it. Do nutrients, eating fruits, avoiding those causes as later generation. No pampalinga. Yeah.
Banange mchana by the Sisters Empowerment Show. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And as we go on with this wonderful topic, Dr. Actually, every day Wednesday, we're nominating some change. Naye kati tunagenda kunzijanja baba obulidde ebireeta emigongo okulumwa n'amagumba. Mbadde njagala bawuliriza baffe babulire biki bye bateekeddwa okulya nga byekuusa ku magumba omuntu asobola okubimanya nga tetunagenda kunzijanjaba.
Okulya naye nga byogeddeko batende bajja kuddamu. Basically fruits. Omanyi abantu Uganda especially wagala nnyo supplements.
Food supplement?
Yes. They are expensive. And oli bwatandika okuwa supplements ajja kugamba eno supplement mulimu epapaali. Of course epapaali ya China oba tolimanya gye balirimira. Omuyembe okupikinze wali n'okulyanga bwe tuli epeera ng'olipikinze wali n'olinaalinda liba processing. So make sure you eat fruits as
the natural ones.
The natural fruits as many as possible. That's how you're going to build your bones. Bakadde baffe mubagambe mama omugamba alye fruits babirina okiraba inanansi those who don't have ulcers. Even if you have ulcers, you can blend them over osobola okirinda neyengera bulungi. Our complaint about ulcers. Eat apples, eat all fruits that there is. Okiraba. And an example, my grandmother died at the age of 98 years. But I don't remember her complaining about low back. As old as she was. I feel at I think 96. Now she would bend like this, but that discs were really firm. One, they're complaining about omugongo. Why? Because their bones were really firm. They want to wait. They want to distribute now. That's where the complaint starts. Then they got to Yiga.com, to the biki, to the biki. No. Eat fruits as much as possible. That's when you build your bones. Once you clock 20, the bones stop growing. You maintain them.
Does that explain why netegereza anyway? Bazungu in Europe. Just some mukadenga achali straight naye kati fe otandikola omukadenga akula kutamye ngatasobola kubeera straight.
And you see when
because I think of the work, the nature of work and exercise.
Yes, and exercise. The exercise is also for another day. But when I know exercising, like I made a year because of the and I mean, how will the body get the nutrients? How do you feed? And they are all carbohydrates. Ombuzo wasibadi nakwata ovakado namutunda ina namwemala natunda okitege naye takiriddeko ye oyinza osanga omuntu just pure research obuzebuuza abantu amwasebajja kujja kufere okitege emimba tebalete nina abalwadde bano benda nomugamba olina okujja musawo kale nina amapapa neza amapapa alimukiraba bwe balikulemya oddirya nalina lecture omungagamba ekiba ekyokulemya okuyita wansi okiyita wansi kiyite waggulu bwe kikulema oyita okyetoloole bwe kikulema okwetolola do anything so that you be there. So everybody is blending. Yeah,
I think at times it's laziness.
They don't know.
Yeah.
Uganda is one medication. Here I don't give tablets. I don't give
we live on medicine as food. I don't food as medicine.
Which is not good. With the generation, to just take up painkillers. Now it's a way that they go. It became addictive. Or what that you see that. I'd rather teach you. This is really, like I said when the beginning. This is a good topic that you teach in the world. Olya I got to send it someone. I know the problem. Only one I'm mentioning at the back. Let them listen. They'll get a solution. They'll start from there. Baba I can they'll come and say, Doctor, atandikirao. Nainga, you should start somewhere. Protecting yourself.
Someone told me that they wabaya lonely takutama instead they kneel afkamira kuchitanda ya nayalanga because about protecting omugongo.
Yes, that's a good thing.
Yeah, nayala bulungi bwe nayetola nenga takutami. Even the wabo ba symbol of course nga bwagambe we can use drugs that we never included wafu no simula nenga tokutamye nnyo. So abatulaba abali eyo nsobola okuborrowinga ku bintu nga bino kati naddala awayogedde ababeera mu offices ebiseera ebisinga tutuula nnyo olumu n'okukyusa entebe okusinziira obeerawo entebe gy'otuulako webanga mpya nga togimanyiridde 1-2 days ojalaba mulina back problem ate otandika okuwuza ate maybe olwo tanjagaliza ebitaliimu but it is the way we sit naye kyendaba I've also ever experienced that. One time one of my colleagues nangamba before you go to sleep kasito ofuna omugongo nga gukulume you just lie on your back and you raise your legs for some time, even your arms mpola mpola. The first day, second day ojalaba to okukuluma. So those more physical exercises.
And it should be a farm ground where
yeah. Farm ground, to take out pillow, to take out anything. just to balance the head and the back, spine.
It's just the way we do things. Engeri tukolamu ebintu etutuusa ku buvune oba etujja mu buvune. Ebintu ebimu tubitwala light, especially in Uganda. You know, you guys have traveled. We have traveled. But Uganda is where people want to ebintu light. Oli omugambo n'otuuka mu office ng'entebe gyatuddemu, you really a problem. Naye nga ye kubanga atulamu afuna ssente ze, they don't care. Entebe eri comfortable, bagimbadde ya million 800 genda gituulamu okiraba. Naye at the end of the day gwe weekusa wennyini okiraba. So omugongo we guli.
Mpozzi nga tukyagenda mu maaso abalabi baffe mukyalaba the Sisters Empowerment Show nga tugenda ku last segment of this show. Nja kusaba dokita otunyuke ku nzijanjaba y'amagumba gano ne conditions z'omugongo n'amaviivi byotugambye. Enzijanjaba ebeetya naddala kansooke nakubuuza ku koseti zino. Nga mumaze okutukebera ne mulaba nga tulina obuzibu ku magumba gaffe. Nganze kinoomu najjako wano n'oŋŋamba nti omanyi kino kyekizibu kyona kino ne kino. Kati tulinayo abantu abagamba nti ojja kwambala koseti. Koseti byebyo ebisipi byebitubwesibwa oba mu neck zaffe oba ku migongo. Nga tonagenda mu kujjanja mbadde njagala abalabi baffe obagulire ku koseti ezo kubanga bambagamba togyambala mbi nnyo ejja kukulemaza. Abalala ne bagamba kati nze perception yange nafuna ng'omaze okuŋŋamba. So from the biological perspective, I want you to tell our viewers about the corset as a mode of treatment.
Thank you, Daisy. One, but there's also arthritis. Arthritis basically is a joint disease or all these joints. Ezengalo, ezevivi, ezebunwe, or the hip. These are different stages of arthritis. One of at least, one of late stages, now one of late stages. Then we are every joint. Sometimes they don't swell. That's the challenge of all stages. Arthritis, amavivi negatandika okubaluma oba nga galimu ebintu ebikoona abamu ne gazimba, that's now zigenda zigraduating to later stages, ne gazimba ne gabaamu amazzi, even the hips ziba ziruma okiraba. So you need to watch out for that. That's the generation disease. This jagama that causes this okiraba. Naye you watch out. We can treat it with early stages. That's through physiotherapy using ultrasonic sound treatment or infrared. Nebituvirako okusinziira ku your presentation. But we took the kucha back, the treatment for the back. Of course, even arthritis, we use medication depending on the stage. Need to block any painkiller, like I said in the first place. For the back or early stages, similar to the corsets. We give you a corset depending on the stage Joliko. But normally we have the normal disc, the degeneration, the bulging, the herniated, the thinning, and the degeneration is also osteophytes and reduction in the disc space reduction. Obanga space ziked. So we took na X-ray you. Nitula on a stage chi. Era no one is around the days ago you witness. I showed you that. Then we compare the X-ray, which one and X-ray. Nitula a gumbari we. So before I give you a corset, I won't be here and call Liz. Mumwe corset. No, I need to see you and I need to teach you and show you one word to say. This is what you need. Yes, I want buying that phobia for corsets. Corsets zibaso kubawa in Mulago. Sorry to say, Zari Mino, Jaini Bima, because Wanzana saw at 121. Gabiba Yiga, I think they had the idea to put the idea cosmetically oba okubanga kitukira ku muntu kyekyali ekizibu. But they had the idea. Even in Europe, even in US, because of the corsets. You see, those who are into orthopedics, nayo gikozesa one, after surgery, just in case because surgical intervention, oba tukusaze oba wetaaga the spinal brace oba corset nojambala. But for this case abalina lumbar, mainly abalina lumbar disc problems oba wanene mu lumbar region, tukozesa what we call a lumbar sacral corset. Kati like the one you have, it's a very friendly one, I believe. But you call her conforming n'omubiri gw'omuntu ne bw'ojambala, no one will know that you have anything on you. Bw'okomperanga ne ziri enkadde, the thing will bulge out. Okiraba. Kati science gy'agendayo mu like research is being done. Ne bagamba nti omuntu yeetaaga ki. How does it work? For example, if you have a disc herniation or a disc bulge or a compression here in the lumbar region, lumbar from one lumbar there are 5 bones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the bones, or in that one of the conditions, degeneration is also surprise. Take the disc that hammered out, amagumba again, and we need to put what we call traction. We can do a manual traction. You remember the manual traction? We pull your spine using our devices, but to maintain Yiga, just for starters. I don't tell my patient, and you lift the motor needs to come. This traction you put a tandika. So if the bones are compressing like this, imagine the disc spaces are just look at these two fingers here, these spaces that are left. But when you get those conditions, the disc move out, they go in. You see how the spaces are reducing. So what the corset does, it works on a 3-4 system. It has the 2 forces at the back, then the forward force. I don't know if I have a corset in there, but it pushes in your lower back here. There's a force here. There is another force here, and then the forward force at speed. About the basic corset, I think Mannya is. That's how it's supposed to be working. When it does that, it puts a traction. Now we are treating conservatively. But to get to surgical, because the surgical pain is we open, we fix the bone, we fix the discs, we pull back. But now if it's like the money, I was in because the surgical interventions. Conservative or colampola, because it is yellow. There is that traction. Just imagine to a jake and pull or lift the car up. And so many of my patients, they've not had a complaint. You inclusive, I believe. I jump my clothes are very comfortable. But the more you put that traction, the more you put the traction. Let's use this. Now, there's a force here, and the forward force. What happens is that pull. That for example, when they compress in your weight, then you start pulling. And we say when we're starting, whenever you create a shell like or egg yolk like, the moment you create space, for them they flow back. However crooked your bone will be, one will have those ridges, bones rush into 1 hour, no space. Those who the surface is not as. The surface, you see when you check the surface, it's very smooth. You see the surface is here. They know this, you see how it is. But when you get this, you see these bumps. These bumps. These bumps. These bumps are not supposed to be there. These are the ossifys now. Extra point in the way. You see? So when you create space, the disc will flow back and sit in that area. However bumpy it is, then it will draw pressure off the nerve and the pain will go. So that is the conservative treatment. On addition to pain that you came with, because your complaint, when you're a patient you come, your complaint is what? Pain. And the pain is being brought about by the pressure being born on the nerve. Katukuwa bogena mu pharmacy gwe nofuna painkiller oba tojje oki. But me when I give you a cosset, depending on the condition, we work cosset okusinzira ku condition gyolina. Mba ndijawo ekikolo ekireta that pain okubanga obeera kwa painkiller. So, cosset days nga bwabuuziza terina mbuzi. But have you got the right corset? The corsets are in types. I've seen them on Amazon. What is the system about? Sometimes I stop them here. You're not supposed to use this. You're supposed to use this. Depending on your condition. So, abatuuliza temubana phobia na corset with a phobia in corsets. Naye tunida omuntu omutuufu akuwe ekintu ekituufu. Banakuwa ekintu ekituufu tekinabuzi. There is a puts has on. There are so many patients. She's the only one that is in here that I can refer to. But there are so many patients. Never akuita kao. You cannot even notice it that they will say muchi. Omugongo. Perfectly. Never tula mugongo. What to that? The back will be supported. Yeah, I think.
Okay, doctor. I think unless you have anything else you want to tell us to conclude. Probably to Bana, they have. I know their mothers that are watching. Bana have so many bone deformities. I will start with at birth. Ozaro mwana next time. Okay. But I want to next time. Watch out on them. They also have their conditions. But the number that is running, you can call them. They can refer you if you've forgotten auto health services. Here, Najanankum. You're always there Monday to Saturday, 8 to 5. And you can always come at your when you give us a call. Yeah.
Webale nnyo dokita, webale kutuwa kubuddeko, webale na amagezi amalungi agotuwadde ku bikwatagana n'amagumba. So all of you that are watching, this is the Sisters Empowerment Show. Tulina ebirungi bingi bikyajja. Webale kuwuliriza Dr. Mumuwulidde. If you have anything to consult, you want to consult about bones, olina omulwadde ali naawe kennyini oli awo tebawulira bulungi, you can get to us. Tujja kutuusa wa Dr. Wali obanga obadde ofollowinga akulagiridde asangibwa wano Najjanankumbi opposite FDC offices. Do not forget to subscribe, to share, comment, and contact us in case of anything. Tujja kutuusa ku byonna by'oba olabye ne Dr. waffe waali. Tweyansiza nnyo Dr. tweyansiza.